Exact specifications vary, but most concrete roofs are several inches thick. Offers a 7-inch or 18-centimeter slab of concrete in 3 layers.
A concrete slab is a flat, rigid surface made of cast concrete, often reinforced with steel for strength, and is used as a foundation for buildings, floors, patios, and driveways. There are different types, including ground-bearing, suspended, and precast slabs, each serving specific structural and functional purposes. Proper construction involves using formwork to shape wet concrete, incorporating reinforcing steel, and ensuring correct placement, compaction, and curing for durability and longevity. This video demonstrates the process of preparing for a concrete slab pour.
Construction process. 1. Site preparation. The area is cleared and leveled, often with a subbase of gravel to provide stability. 2. Formwork. Wooden or steel molds are built on-site to contain the wet concrete and give the slab its desired shape and dimensions. 3. Reinforcement. Steel reinforcing bars, or rebar, and mesh are placed within the formwork using plastic chairs to ensure proper spacing. The concrete provides compressive strength, while the steel provides tensile strength. 4. Pouring. Wet concrete is poured into the formwork, completely enveloping the reinforcement. 5. Finishing. The surface of the wet concrete is finished to the desired texture and smoothness. 6. Curing. The concrete must be allowed to cure properly, harden and gain strength to achieve its full durability and lifespan. Applications. Concrete slabs are used for a wide range of projects, including foundations, providing a stable base for houses, sheds, and other structures, floors, creating strong, durable surfaces for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings, and outdoor spaces for patios, driveways, and walkways.
All the right words poured from your mouth, holding me tight, saying I'm all yours, but I feel in my gut. It doesn't feel right. I see in your eyes. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Let's talk about your ex.
As a rule of thumb, concrete slabs supporting lighter weights such as paths and patios will need to be 75 to 100 millimeters thick, while driveways and garages need to be at least 100 millimeters thick. Slabs intended for commercial use should be at least 175 millimeters thick and reinforced. Smoothing wet concrete for new floors. Level the concrete after pouring. Use a magnesium float or mag float to level the surface and bring the cream, the watery mix of cement and fine aggregate, to the top. Trowel the surface. Once the concrete has lost its glossy sheen and has a matte look, use a steel trowel to smooth the surface. For large areas, use a walk-behind or ride-on cower trowel. For smaller jobs, a hand trowel works. Repeat passes. Make multiple passes with the trowel, allowing the concrete to dry slightly between each pass. Final smoothing. For a truly smooth, dense surface, several passes with a steel trowel are necessary.
Ayan pong kulay pula, siya po ang nagpapatigas dyan sa epoxy. Kasi may mga po siya dyan. Ayan po mga kausti, pipinturahan na po natin siya. I-first coating po muna natin. Nagamit po pala tayo ng roller.